Hello everyone, this is Pinky Yadav, English teacher at Suraj School Mahendragarh. So dear students, let's start the class, and today we will discuss poem number 6. Poem number 6. Poem 6 in behind and no man are fallen. No Men Are Foreign, written by James Kirkham. Written by James Kirkham. No Men Are Foreign. It is the sixth poem in Beehive for 9th class, written by James Kirkham. In this, poet want to say this is very beautiful poem. First of all, this is very beautiful poem. It gives us a message also. It gives us a message that we should live in unity. We should live in unity and we should spread humanity among all human beings. We all are human beings. We all are human beings. According to poet, no men are, remember, no men are strange. Strange means alien. No country is foreign. Foreign means of other country. Of other country. Beneath all uniforms. Beneath means under. Uniform means hair, skin. Or you can say not different. Not different. A single body breathe. Like ours, the land. Land refers here country. Land refers here country. Our brothers walk upon each earth like this, in which we all shall lie. This is very beautiful poem which gives us a message that we should live in unity and we should spread harmony among all human beings. Poet want to say that no person, no man are foreign. We all are human beings. We all wear different types of clothes. We speak different languages. We are of different colors. We are having different colors, but doesn't matter. No matter. Matter is this, that we all are, above all we are human being. We all have same body. We all have same body. No man is strange. No man is strange. No man are strange. कोई भी person strange नहीं है, alien नहीं है. No country is foreign. No countries are foreign. No country is foreign, because we all are human being. We are living at different places, different area, different land, but different places we are living, but we all are living on the same earth, and we all take same air in breath. When we breathe, we take same air. We all use the same sun, and that's why we all are same. We are not different. We all wear different type of clothes, but under the clothes, under our uniforms, there is the same skin of all us, of all of us, right? And we are same, because we all have single body. We all have same body, and we take same air when we take breath. In breath we take same air, and we all need air, sun and water. So we all are same. We are not different. That's why poet want to say कि no men are strange, no men are alien, no countries are foreign. We all are same. We all are human beings. We are living at different areas, different places. We use different languages. We wear different clothes. But we all, under those clothes, we have same body. We all are living here. We all are living in other countries. But we, above all, we live on the same earth. That's why we are brothers. We are brothers. We are not different. And at the end of our life, we all shall lie on the same earth on which we are living now. You know, this world is a platform. This world is a platform, and we all are just like players. We all come here, perform our duty, and then leave the platform. So, poet want to say we all are human beings. We should not defeat each other. We should not hate others. If we hate others, then it means we are hating ourselves, right? and at the end of our life we all shall lie on the in the same earth. We will mix up in the soil. We will lie on the same earth. That's why poet want to say कि we all are same, we all are not different, we all have same body, right? So this is very beautiful poem which gives us a message that we should live in harmony. We should live in harmony, we should work as a unity. That's all.